If you have a number and understand how much money, things or power do you need, it really helps you, because without a plan, every way seems very difficult to finish and even want. Don't touch this money, don't spend anything unless you save 6 or 12 months of your typical life expenses. You can have a really good job, but 2020 showed us that everything is changed. And if we were fired or lost our income, we still have some money for the next 6 or 12 months, like I told you. Sometimes these numbers go crazy, but this is why you need to save your money and live very simple. You can call it whatever you want, and even 1 or 2 months is a good start. In 2021, I had some very bad months without much money, so I had to economy on my lifestyle and even on my food. It was really bad time. But I always have some money in my savings account. I also know some people who don't have a regular job, and sometimes if they get quick or easy money, and what a lot of people do, and I was like one of them, so they just spend this money in the first day or week. Yes, it's not easy to get money, but if you get like bonus money, it's still money, man.